This video is an outline review of Million Dollar Warrior 2.0 with access to free training. The training is for anyone interested in creating their own online income streams quickly. Click the link in the description for immediate access. Million Dollar Warrior 2.0 seems to be a comprehensive online marketing training program designed for anyone looking to build a profitable online business. According to the product creators, it provides a step-by-step blueprint based on a proven business model that has reportedly generated 7 figures on Warrior Plus. The product claims to simplify the process, making it accessible for beginners, struggling marketers, and experienced professionals who want to achieve results quickly and efficiently. From what we've seen, the training is presented as a foolproof, easy-to-understand system that could help users start generating revenue with minimal expenses and just a few hours of work per week. This approach could be particularly appealing to those new to online marketing or those who have tried other systems without success. Million Dollar Warrior 2.0 emphasizes high-quality training with concise, actionable content. It appears to cover a range of topics, including a detailed breakdown of the creator's business model, which has been refined over 15 years. The product claims to provide industry-leading results through a structured process that includes everything needed to replicate the system and build a successful online business. The functionality of the product seems to rely on its step-by-step guidance. Each part of the process is reportedly broken down into simple, manageable steps, which could make it easier for users to follow and implement. The training also claims to deliver almost immediate results, though individual outcomes may vary based on factors like effort and experience. When it comes to ease of use, the product is described as beginner-friendly, with a clear focus on making complex strategies understandable. For more experienced marketers, it may provide insights and techniques to refine their current efforts and scale their businesses further. Compared to many online marketing courses, which can be overwhelming or overly technical, this program aims to simplify the learning curve while delivering measurable results. The potential effectiveness of Million Dollar Warrior 2.0 seems to stem from its real-world applicability. The creators emphasize that the strategies have been tested and validated over many years, which could provide confidence to users looking for a proven approach. However, as with any training program, success will likely depend on the user's commitment to applying the knowledge provided. One of the standout advantages of this program is its focus on a low-cost, high-reward business model. With minimal expenses and limited time requirements, it seems tailored to those who want to achieve financial results without significant upfront investment. Additionally, the training's straightforward format and clear instructions could make it more accessible than many competing courses. On the downside, the effectiveness of the training may vary depending on the user's previous experience and how well they can implement the strategies. Some users may also find that the program requires more effort or time than initially expected, despite its promises of simplicity and quick results. At 37 talents, Million Dollar Warrior 2.0 appears to be reasonably priced, especially given the claims of high-quality training and proven results. It may offer good value for those willing to invest in a structured, step-by-step system to grow their online business. In conclusion, Million Dollar Warrior 2.0 looks to be a solid option for individuals looking to break into online marketing or refine their current strategies. Based on what we can see, it provides a practical, beginner-friendly approach to building a profitable business with minimal expenses and effort. While success will depend on the user's dedication, the training's reputation and low price point make it worth considering for those serious about achieving results in the online marketing space. Does this product fit the bill, or are you simply looking for a quick and easy way to make extra money online without the cost? If you are interested in making extra money online, click the link in the description to access the free training.